Morning, YouTube. Today I'm on a BLM campsite called Lone Tree. It's just north of Lake Havasu in Arizona, and there's a lot of people. It's typical BLM land, 14-day camping limit, although word has it there's a guy who's been here since November. I don't know if they check on this very much, but when you get to these kind of places, I mean, you never know what you're going to run across. And I looked around and I noticed, this standing, stone man. I mean, this one's pretty cool, as it starts out with 2 and goes up. And then I started looking around and going, hey, there's another one. And there's another one. And I'm going to take you on a little walk up the hill here and show you what I discovered. pretty cool. Like I said, just got to get out, walk around. It's amazing what you can find.